Here's interesting app. It's called Trueflutter African dating app. So you can just go and get it. So just double click to install it. So meet and date single Africans. Meet your future today. Trueflutter is a dating app for Africans on the continent and in diaspora looking for more than just a swipe. Our focus is on helping you create organic connections that lead to genuine relationships. There is more to you than just a cute picture. That's why we made it easy to build out a profile that reflects your unique personality and truly represents who you are. And when it comes to matching and connecting with people from Lagos, Abuja, Accra, Nairobi, Cape Town, Durban, Luanda, Johannesburg, or any other city in Africa, we are taking a step further by introducing voice intros to make the experience feel authentic and natural. So dating should be both enjoyable and meaningful. So Trueflutter is designed to be convenient yet requires thoughtful effort. So yes, that's just where you have it. What do you want out of your next date? Here's how we can help you build meaningful relationships, express your uniqueness, find someone who is right for you, form genuine relationships. Um, every feature on Trueflutter is designed with a singular focus on helping you connect with people you can build a meaningful relationship with. And yeah, here it is. So you can just go and just sign in with phone number or like Apple ID. And then let's see if it's actually working. So then you can just see it from here. So then you just need to agree. Then you just need to enter your name, just enter your birthday, for example. And then you just proceeding with the onboarding here. You can enable location access. Then you can see like whatever, and then just allow notifications if you wanna, and then allow ads. So just like very standard. So then you need to upload at least 2 pictures. So let's just try it out. So yeah, it's just taking some time to upload this. Then just taking another, just as an example for you, and then there you have it. So that's the process how you select here, and then you just like the person or skip a profile, or if you want to send special like, then you can just undo, and then to save favorites. So limited profile visibility. So you need to complete your profile, add in your job titles, things like that, and then you have your favorites. You have your saved. You have your likes. You can activate Bloom, which is like where you can kind of speed up your search. Then you have chats where you can just keep chatting with people. Then yeah, you have your profile here. Flutter, so basically like a special like. Premium, see only the best profiles and get matched much faster. Then you have your settings. You can set up your filters from here, and privacy settings. You can change your location, and then if you want, you can upgrade your membership. So get better matches. It's 1 month, $10. And if you want, you can delete an account. Yeah, so that's basically where you have it. Invite friends. So here, get 3 flat when your friends sign up using your referral code. So here you can just go and use a referral code. So feel free to use my referral code, and then you will get 3 free super likes. So 3 super likes you're getting for free if you share in your referral code, and that's where it is as well. So pretty cool. So yeah, there you have it. So yeah, try it out.